Hi, I'm Alex and welcome to another Logicbus video. Before start this video, subscribe to our channel and follow us in all our social media, Logicbus Inc. Today, in this video, we are gonna see an unboxing of a Tyson industrial monitor. This incredible industrial monitor has a high-resolution screen of 15.6 inches. It is a flat display with IP65 protection on the front. The IP65 protection on this industrial monitor is perfect against water and dust. This industrial monitor has a capacitive touchscreen and a resolution of 1920 by 1080. As you can see, we have a VGA port, DVI port, HDMI port, DP port, and the power supply connection. As well, we have the USB port for the touch connection and a RS232 port. In the back of the industrial monitor, we have the control buttons, and these screw holes are for the best mounting, 75 by 75 or 100 by 100 millimeters. This industrial monitor uses high-strength steel box structure so that can be adapted to the harsh industrial sideworks environments. This industrial monitor can be used in a lot of industrial applications. For example, commercial automation, factory automation, CNC equipment, textile equipment, communication networks, power automation, and more. So now we're gonna see what we have in this little box. As you can see, we have the USB cable for the USB port. We have our power supply connection with this one, our power supply connection. We got our VGA cable for the VGA port and some screws. If you are interested in this industrial monitor, visit our website. The link is in the description. So guys, this is it. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media.